Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
Boca boca!
I'm doing my first ever screen recording. I cannot find out when I just watched a video or it said to download this app, so shout out to whoever made this app, you know? But anyway, let's start playing. Beach day. Let's go. Hold on, honey. I know you're excited. I am so excited. Mommy knows that. Babe, can you go put pen over there? Penelope? Yeah. I said pen. That's her nickname. Okay, girls. Mom. What? Don't ask why the mom was being rude to her. She got a nose piercing and she does not like it. But honey, I'm gonna want to hold out. Okay, why would you? Never mind. Whoa. Wanna play ball? Yeah. Catch, catch, catch. I'm gonna go and get something to make this a little bit more fun. Ta-da! Mommy, stop. I'm gonna get these things out of here. Okay, ready? Woohoo! Meanwhile. Oh my gosh, it's raining. We gotta go, guys. We gotta go home. What about our outfits? I'll go get them. Honey, did you forget your outfit? Yeah, I did. Oh, come on, Oakley. Here you go. Okay, we gotta go. Stay over there with the babies. Just wear your robe, okay, honey? Okay. Am I ready to go home before it starts raining again? I mean, not again, but yeah. I can't believe this happened. Mom, when are you gonna get rid of this stupid ritual you do? Watch your mouth, and it's not a ritual. I just like it there for It's cute and aesthetic. You don't know the first thing about aesthetic. I do, actually. Whatever. Let's go upstairs. Okay. Hi, Bunny. Okay, things will get changed. Mom, it's already nighttime? Yeah, we were at that water park for a whole day. Okay, good night, love you. Night, honey, love you. Night, sis. Night, sis, love you. Night, sis, love you. Okay, go to bed, honey. Okay. Now we can change her. Night, Mom, love you. Night, honey, love you. Night, Dad, love you. Night, night. Sorry about that. I accidentally went to this shop button right here. But yeah, that's gone. But night, night, honey, I love you. Now let's go to bed. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. This is my first ever Talk About video, and there will be more. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.